Okay, so let's talk about reports now. So after nato na-gather tong iban-iban nga mga data, daga na tag data na-gather about sa sales nato, sa quantities, sa cost, we need to talk about how to make use of those data. So this is where reports come in importantly. Okay, so let's talk about the kinds of reports that we have. So currently we have I have made 4 reports. We can add more reports as needed, but as of now, upat pa. So let's talk about we have the sales amount per product, sales cost per product, sales profit per product, and sales quantity per product. So those are the current reports that we have. So let's go into the sales amount per product report. Let's use this as demo. So we have 3 sheets here. We have the pivot sheet, the amount table column chart, and the source. Okay, so we want to focus our attention here on the pivot sheet because this is the sheet that we'll be using first when we want to build table and chart. So the chart will contain the chart of the data that we have built using this button. And the source, well, the source is just the source data for our table. You don't need to bother much about the source. This is there for the program. And you can look at this also if you find the need for this. But this is basically from sales history. Okay, so let's use this as example. So let's build table and charts. Okay. So if you want to make a report on the sales amount per product, we need to go to this report and then go to the pivot sheet and then click build table and chart. So click build table and chart. So what is this command? What is this window? So in this window, you are asked to limit the data range that you will be working with in the table. The default is 1 week, so today is January 20. So the from date will be from January 13 to January 20 because the default is 1 week. Now please follow this range, the format, month, day, years, month, /day, /year. So for our demo purposes, I will limit the report to from today to 7 days ago. But you can actually set this to, let's say, more than 7 days ago to January 11. But let's stick to 7 days ago. And press OK. And then it asks, do you want to place the date in the bar graph column? So basically, where do you want to place the date? In the column side or in the row? So let's just press yes here to put it in the column. If you press no, it will be in the date will be placed in the row section. You will understand what I'm talking about later. So let's put yes for date in bar column, date in graph column. Data may exist. So it asks you to delete the previous chart. So it will delete this chart. You must delete that chart because it will cause an error if you do not delete that chart. And actually it will not cause an error. It will probably cause an error. But delete it so that you can replace it with the more updated chart based on your selection of dates. Okay, so delete. And now it will ask you what kind of chart do you want. For our purpose, we actually have I actually provided 4 different kinds of chart. We have the column chart, the bar chart, the line, and the pie. You can explore this as needed. But for now, for demo purposes, let's use the column. So column, now if you choose column, you are asked what kind of data grouping, clustered or stacked. Let's use clustered. So if you want stack, you can explore what these two are. Basically, pag clustered, hindi niya ipatong-patong ang imuhang data. Pag stack, by the name, is ipatong-patong niya ang data into one column lang. Kani siya, for every data may sariling column. So let's use clustered. Makita niyo ang significance sa anaon niya. So okay. So here automatically na-create ang graph. So balik ta sa pivot sheet. Makita nimo nga mauni karon ang sales amount nato per product depend per day. So katong January 13 nakabaligya tag sa Grand Cement og 8,250. So sa tong 16 nakabaligya tag 1,000. So and so forth. So mo ni ang grand total sa dulo. So that's, and if you want to see that in chart form, just go to the chart sheet. Then makita nimo dire karon. Exactly the same. Karon let's see. Dagan sila, di ba? So you want to actually manipulate this chart for more readability. So let's say ang imong interest lang kay ang Grand Cement. So kani Grand Cement. So you want to remove the others, for example. So you choose, you go to the product name, are button sa baba. Choose Grand Cement only. Press OK. And you can see now that you have the graph for the Grand Cement. So once again, you can see that January 13, you sold 8,250 and 1,000 tong January 16 according to the legend. So, kani siya ang imuhang sales per day. Now, let's imagine ano yung sales amount per day. So, let's imagine, let's use the other options sa chart. So, let's go. So, let's go back to the pivot sheet and create a different type of chart. Remember, this one is for, what kind of chart is this? This one is for the column chart. So you want, let's use the pie chart, or let's use the line. So let's build the table again and chart. We will use the same date. We will still use the date in the column side. Data mix, delete. And then chart type. Let's choose the line type. So since line, there is no option for clustered and stacked. So let's press OK. So this is right now, so medyo magulo, di ba? Kasi, for example, ordinary plywood, dire lang siya na i-value sa day, dire lang siya na i-value sa 13. Anyway, to make more sense of it, piliyon nato ato ang ganiya, Grand Cement. So, Grand Cement. This is why ganito, tungod kay ang ato ang chart kay ang date na sa column. So that's why it is important nga ang, let's build this again, same date range. Since ang date at nasa column, ilipat nato siya sa row. Importante pag mag-line ka, dapat nasa row ang date. You can see, line, back to line. There, so mas may sense na siya. So let's choose again the product name. Let's choose Grand Cement. The graph for Grand Cement. So this is the chart for Grand Cement. You can see na ito yung sales natin sa kanya over the days from January 13 to January 20. So if you want to correspondingly makitaan sad nimo siya dire nagbag usad. So note nga gi-change na ako dire ang product name. Gibili na ako Grand Cement lang. Pagbalik nato sa pivot, automatically Grand Cement lang sad ang nabilin. So it is very useful in that sense. Kung gusto mo makitaan dire in graph form, o gusto mo makitaan in table form dire. If you want to add, let's say i-compare nato ang Grand Cement sa let's say sa Cement 2. Okay, makita na to o kana. Kasi pangit ang semento. Let's say, for comparison purpose, i-compare na to siya sa, let's say, saan natin siya i-compare? Compare na to siya dire sa paintbrush siguro. Okay. So, sa iban nga cements. Iban-iban nga cements. Okay, cements na lang. So, you can see here nga gamay lang. Actually, for comparison purposes, makita nimo dayon nga mas okay ang Grand Cement kaysa sa Cement 2. So, mas maayo nga di lang ta magpalit og Cement 2. For example, kay mas sellable ang Grand Cement. So, ingana ang mga data nga makuha nimo dire sa iyaha. Ang Grand Cement na ay ang Cement 2 halos zero. Depende na sa sales. So, mas gwapo ni siya, mas ma-appreciate ninyo ni sa column type nga. So, same date. Palitan ko lang. Yes. Delete. Tapos, column. Cluster. Okay. Okay, so let's filter the product code to the 2 cements lang. And makita nimo nga ang Grand Cement, ang Cement 2 halos walay sales. Ang Grand Cement daghan. Ay kamo na bahala mag-manage sa chart kung sa inyong gusto buhaton. Pero daghan mog data makita andre kag insights. Kag useful ni siya in that sense. Hopefully magamit ninyo fully ning charts kay maugid ni ang maghatag sa inyo og insight sa business. Kung saan dapat nga move nga buhaton, makita ninyo ang mga wala ninyo nakit-an dati about sa dynamics sa data. Kag unsa ang natabo sa business over the week. Okay? Sige. So that is all.